Hi, my name is Stacy with WTI. I love the idea of an air purifier, but it seems like they've always been super loud in my mind, not this beautiful, awesome air purifier from Air Oasis. This medium-sized purifier works for 2,600 plus feet. I really feel that it really has made a difference in the air in our home. This handy little machine works for all of those bad guys that try to come into your home, whether it's odors, mold, pet dander, whatever allergens that you're coping with, it will make a difference to use this air purifier. The air purifier itself is actually kind of pretty to look at. I really like that it's compact even though it's a good size, and it has everything controllable right from the top of the unit. It tells you how long your filter will last. It has a timer so that you can just set it. And it also has an app that you can use to coordinate with it so that you can schedule a time to purify your air every day. In just a little amount of time every day, the purifier works and works, but it's super quiet. Even the smallest of bathrooms, you can see that it's really not super huge, but what a job that it does. The purifier came almost pretty much put together. You don't need to do anything. And as I mentioned, it will let you know when you need a new filter. The book has instructions on how to replace the filter. Overall, I'm super happy with this. I love that it cleans the air. I love that it's easy to use. And I love that it's attractive looking and really quiet. But that's just my point of view.